Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. Hope you all are doing great. If you are new here, hello, my name is Gertrude and nice meeting you. In today's video, I share with you this fried fish recipe. This was prepared by my mom. So let's get into the video. Over here we have our fresh fish and she got this from Jamestown in Accra. So any type of fish that you want, when you go to Jamestown, you will definitely get it. So after that, she then went ahead to wash them twice. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, this is Getty Cooks. We make anything related to food. So if you are interested and you like my content, please subscribe to the channel while you hit the bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, you guys have been good to me and I can't take your love for granted. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate all your support. So at this point, she went ahead to add some salt and also Omega 3 mix seasoning. You can also add any seasoning of your choice to your fish. After that, you will just give it a shake. Let it marinate for some minutes before frying. So while doing this, the oil is already on the fire, which is being heated. Okay, fam. So now it's time to fry the fish. So she went ahead to add some basil, some crushed onion, ginger and garlic to the oil to give it some more flavor. And after that, she will just go in with the marinated fish. After 45 minutes, she will just flip it over for the other side to also fry it very well. Just look how beautiful this fish is. And after 20 minutes, the fish, both sides are well fried very well, and she will just take it off from the oil. And this is the process she will repeat until every fish is well fried. Guys, this is our fried fish, which came out so crunchy and very delicious as well. Just look how beautiful this is. You can pair this with kinke, with rice, with banku. Anything goes with this fish. Thank you for watching.